Hey everyone! Today, I'm showing you how to run your own Zano node in RPC mode, specifically on Windows 10. First things first, if you haven't installed the Zano application yet, head over to zano.org/downloads and get it downloaded and installed. Once it's installed, make sure your Zano wallet has had a chance to fully sync with the blockchain. This is important. Alright, if you have Zano installed and synced, let's open Command Prompt. You can search for CMD or Command Prompt in your Windows search bar. Now, you need to go into the folder where Zano is stored. For most installations, this will be in your program files, but your path might be slightly different. Let's change directory. Type CD followed by the path to your Zano folder. Now, we need to run zanod.exe with the RPC flags. We're going to use the basic command for RPC mode. You can find these commands in the Zano documentation. For this basic setup, the command above is what we need. We can leave the last part out. If it runs without errors, that's great. Your node is running. However, if you encounter issues starting the daemon, like I did, it's often because your main Zano wallet application is already open and using the default data files. You can try closing all Zano applications and running the command again. That might fix it. For testing, I personally like to specify a separate folder for the node, so I can run both the wallet and the node at the same time without conflicts. This means we tell the node to use a new, fresh data directory. To do this, first stop the daemon by pressing Ctrl+C in the command prompt. Now, we'll run the command again, but we'll add the data-dir flag to specify a new location for the blockchain data. You can choose any path you want for this new directory. Make sure the new directory path you choose is one you're okay with storing a lot of data in. Now, if you run this, it will start syncing the entire blockchain to this new folder. Be aware this will take some time, hours or even longer, depending on your internet speed and the blockchain size. Once it's fully synced, it should work just like mine is now. Okay, so now our Zano node is running in RPC mode. Let's try to send it a simple request to make sure it's working. For this, I will use a tool called Insomnia, which is great for testing APIs. You can use other tools like Postman as well. Now let's run a random request and see if it works. The main thing is, you'll be sending a request to your node's RPC address. You'll typically use a GET request with a JSON body containing the method you want to call. And there we have it. We got a response. This confirms our Zano node is up, running in RPC mode, and we can successfully communicate with it. Happy developing with Zano.